Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is an 8-year update on originally a younger and now middle-aged UK guy. And he came in with just this hairline. And he has a family that doesn't lose a ton of hair. And so we opted to do a hairline that'll age well. So here's the plan. And then we put the hair in. And then he sent this picture in at about a month or so when it fell out. And then at a year. And then we hear from him sporadically. Here's 4 years. He looks pretty good, and a couple of views of that. And then here he is at 8 years. And I think he's got one of those little ticklers in his calendar that he thinks about us every year on the anniversary.
He likes to style his hair. So
yeah,
you can see different styles. I think he enjoys to show all the different styles.
Yeah, well, yeah. So sometimes people ask how long hair transplants last, and the answer is generally they last for the long haul, meaning when you get real old, all parts of your body, including your hair, gets thinner. But hairs from the back, put in the front, done properly, generally last for decades, right?
Forever?
Forever's a hard thing to say. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.